In the last 2 years, we've had a massive problem with what we term rogue drones. These are drones flown by hobbyists. Some are flown by commercial enterprises, but they actually start to impinge on the incidents that we actually attend. We're not the only people who suffer from this. All emergency services around the country, police and fire service alike, are suffering from rogue drone impingement, and we just want to get a message out. Yes, it's fantastic to fly drones, but you must use the drone code. Although it doesn't actually specifically mention emergency service incidents, it's ultra important that you just keep well away from it. The big problem for us is we have to put our kit back down on the ground, and we can't use our drone for what it's actually aimed for: situational awareness and firefighter safety.
The drone has been fantastic for us. The situational awareness it can provide to the incident commander is phenomenal, especially when you look at things like the moorland fires that may spread out over many square kilometres. But even a significant building fire where we're able to tell where within the building that fire is currently at its greatest. So it really is valuable to us. But if other people are also flying drones, that means we can't fly ours. We have to operate them in a safe way.
It would be like a fire engine coming up behind you and you sort of impeding that fire engine getting to the actual job. That's exactly the same as when we're trying to fly our drone. I fully understand that people like to fly the drone, and the type of incidents we go to really sort of appealing to the public to come and film. However, they must understand that if they're flying their drone, we can't fly ours, and we can't use it until either we can intercept them and sort of ask them to put their drone down, or it stops flying.